Hi, Bob Freeman here with MarineMax in Naples, Florida. I'm here today to talk to you about Sea Race 2018 23 XPS with an outboard. We're going to start with the color boat. It's a two-tone color. It's got the black underneath and the tan hull. It does have the stainless steel insert here on the rub rail, which adds for a nice dressed up look along the side. Beautiful lines all the way down the profile of the boat. And as we make it to the rear of the boat, it's got the 4-step swim ladder here, which is easier getting in and out of the boat. A lot of them are only 3, a lot more difficult. You do have a grab rail up here to grab when you are coming up the ladder. You do have the sea deck, which is the new comfy material there that's cushiony under your feet, and it doesn't get hot. So it's a new improvement there. We have the ski tow bar for tubing and water skiing and any of the water toys that you may have. And then you've got the Mercury Pro 4-stroke supercharged. It's a 6-cylinder, and it's plenty of power to get this up and running. Probably top end somewhere around 50 miles an hour. So plenty of power for the boat, and let's hop on board and see the rest. Here we are on board the 23 SPX, and let's start with the back of the boat. It has a nice, comfortable, large 2-person sun pad in the back, so if you just feel like laying out and sunning yourself, plenty of room to do it. And underneath it, we used to have the boats that had the inboard outboard, we had the engines underneath. Now that we have the outboard, we just hit the switch, and now we've got really large storage. You've got the leg for the table, you've got countertops right here. If you got actually they're filler boards for the sun pad. You got the table, and just a lot of fender line, all that. You got plenty of room for all that. So great use of space there. And then here we've got the cooler, so built right in there, out of the way, convenient, doesn't slide around. We have actually this can be iced down, so you could actually put all your beverages in there and throw a bag of ice on top, and it's it'll self-draining. Great extra storage for beverages. Back on this side, very large storage here. This could be dry storage, good place for life jackets, that type of thing that you need to get easily here, and it keeps them dry. And we have 12 volt there for the charging on the phone. More storage there. It's also dry storage. And then we have convenient place for the battery charger. A lot of times they hide them and they're tough to get at, and you sometimes forget about them. So when you get on the boat, it's there. Getting off the boat, you don't forget to turn the battery switches off. As we move forward, you get the table there. We've got actually 2 tables on this boat. Yet another one in the storage that goes up at the bow. You've got 2 very comfortable captain's chairs. Very stylish and very comfortable as well. And then you got the little porta potty. So it's there for emergencies, and it will do the job. And then over at the helm, got the remote control for the stereo is right here, very convenient for the captain. You've got a depth finder in here. You've got your gauges in here, and you also have a little SIM-rad right here. So GPS, nice and recessed in there. Ergonomically correct as far as the way everything is all designed perfectly here. Very comfortable captain's chair for driving the boat. Let's move up to the bow. So you do have 2 large loungers here, so 2 adults very comfortably. You could fit 4 if you needed to, but you could definitely fit 4 sitting around. So you put the second table up right here. Nice place to have drinks and appetizers, that type of thing. And it's got grab bars, it's got speakers, so plenty of sound, very comfortable to hold on to. And then you do have, this is where you keep your anchor in there, so that's conveniently hidden out of the way. And again, more grab bars to keep you comfortable. So lastly, we've got the Bimini top with the tower, with the ski tower, and it gives you full coverage on the boat. It covers most of the interior seating area, which is nice. And with the tower, it gives you 2 things. It eliminates the canvas rattle when you get up to speed. It also gives you the upper tow bar up top for people that want to wakeboard outboard. If they want to do other tricks, you can tie it up on top. So for a 23-foot boat, it's a great fun boat to just go out and have fun, go to the beach, do your water toys on it. It's a great performing boat, looks great. If you have any questions, my name is Bob Freeman. Please give me a call at 603-213-1194. Love to hear from you.